guys, today we're going to be playing with this pizza maker. Let's open it up. Hi guys, so we just got done setting it up. Now we need the brown Play-Doh that can hardly open. Take a part of it, then we need to roll it out. Smash it down a little bit first. You take the brown Play-Doh plate right here. Then you press it on here. You don't use it. Put that right there. Push it back, then swing it. Now you're supposed to take the thing, put it on the plate. Now you're supposed to get the red sauce. And that looks better. My mom can help me a little bit. Now, you're supposed to put the red sauce on. We just roll it up. Take the red sauce, peel a little bit off because I have too much. Now you're supposed to put the red sauce on the pizza. Now you need the cheese.
I'll do some pepperonis.
And my mom's gonna do some pepperonis. Let me just get this cheese out. Takes a while to get cheese out. Now, you're supposed to put the cheese in here and push it down right next to the pizza. Now, you're supposed to take some cheese, put it on there. Look at that. Let me just get this stuff off.
Here's one pepperoni.
My mom won make one pepperoni. See you guys? Now, supposed to put it on the pizza. Look at that pizza. Well, would you like to eat that? Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Make a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Bye.